Here is the 2025 Nautique GS20. You got the beautiful metal flake, looks gorgeous out on the water. Nice tower. As we come to the back, we've got nice seats in the back. We've got a nice swim platform, the NSS system, surf pipe. Let's go to the interior and take a look. All right, welcome aboard this 2025 GS20. GS20 is your very versatile boat. This is a great boat for skiing, wakeboarding, surfing, tubing, or just cruising around with the family. We'll start out here with a nice walkthrough through the sea deck. You got your pop-up pylon right there. We've got JL audio up on the tower here and those speakers. You got a bimini up top. We've got the nice internal LED lighting throughout the inside of the boat. It also has underwater lighting. We've got a heater in here. We've got the amazing helm chair, very comfortable, just a blast to drive this boat. Everything right here at the helm, touch screen, or you can go right there, digital throttle, nice big bow, again, seating, lighting up front, JL audio throughout the boat. Excellent boat for a little bit of everything. Come see it soon.